Welcome to 5318 Eva Street. The first thing you'll notice is the original hardwood floors that have been recently refinished, fresh paint throughout the house, new ceiling fan, new blinds. The entire house has new light fixtures, new blinds, new paint, refinished flooring. And this new flooring in the kitchen, this is the big eat-in kitchen, which also has a bar where you can put bar stools. The washing machine comes as a bonus. New sink, new faucet, new cabinets. And there are cabinets on this side of the bar too. New refrigerator with icemaker, new stove, new microwave. Into the little tiny hallway. So now we're coming out of the kitchen into a little tiny landing area, and there's a full bath with original ceramic tile, and it's in beautiful condition. It also has a walk-in tub, and that can be removed. We left it here in case someone who bought the house wanted to have the walk-in tub. It can function as a regular shower. Then right outside that room, here we're back at the living room. Turn a couple inches, there's the kitchen. Turn again, there's the bathroom. And then we have a coat closet where the power box is and the power for the alarm system. This house does come with a security system. Tiny little hallway here, as in short hallway, so there's not much wasted space. We come into the first bedroom, which is the smallest bedroom, but it's still a pretty good sized room. And again, new paint, newly refinished floor, and a new ceiling fan. And one more thing to note, the entire house has smooth ceilings. Right next to the first bedroom is a nice deep linen closet with lots of shelving. Second bedroom, a little bit bigger than the first bedroom. Refinished floor, new paint, new ceiling fan, smooth ceilings. Got a nice closet here with a lot of shelving in it. And it's really high up, so there's lots of room to put things on shelves and hang. Then come through here, right next to here is the master bedroom, which is much bigger. Has 3 windows. All the windows in the house have new blinds. And then this adorable vintage bathroom. It has a new faucet and a new toilet, but the ceramic tile is from 1965 and perfectly intact. Did you get the floor too? Because that's just beautiful. Now we're back in the little hallway and we're coming into the kitchen. We're going to take a look at the backyard. Screen door, which reminds me, all of the windows have new screens. And the front storm door is new. We have this nice patio here. But take a look at this big yard. Now, see the nice big oak tree? And then this is a ruby red grapefruit tree. And if you have small children, you're going to want to cut the thorns off but it will actually produce grapefruits, I'm told, in a couple years. But now, there's another one in this corner. Can you zoom in on that, Nick?
Yep.
It has grapefruits on it right now. And that area around the grapefruit tree back there is a garden area. The whole yard is fenced. This is the gas pack.
Mm-hmm.
We've got to adjust that gate over there, but there's wood fencing on both sides of the front. And the gate here goes out to the front. Coming into the door from the backyard, coming into the one-car garage. This was originally a carport, and they enclosed it. It's full of a lot of the owner's stuff, but there is a clothes dryer under here that will come with the house if the person wants it. It's just your basic one-car garage. And then in here, this can be just a big storage room, or it would make a wonderful pantry because it has tons of shelves in here. And the water heater is right here. It is a gas water heater. And the house has gas heat, so very economical. And you can see from here, the driveway will hold probably 3 cars. And if all this stuff were out of here, you could park in the garage.